This video will be a full comparison between SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Fusion 360. Which one should you choose? So let us compare SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Autodesk or Fusion 360. These three serves a different purpose and guide to each and every one that are using this tool. So I will suggest that SolidWorks best. It is best for complex mechanical and engineering design with powerful parametric tools and simulation, and it is an industry standard for manufacturing design. Next is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is best for 2D drafting, architectural, and civil engineering drawings, and it has some 3D capabilities, but this is, mainly a 2D tool. Next is Fusion 360. So Fusion 360 is a great all-in-one cloud-based solution combining CAD, CAM, and CAE, which is ideal for startups, product designers, and teams needing collaboration.